Hi guys, what's up? I hope everything is going very fine and well by the grace of Almighty. I am 𝐀𝐫𝐢𝐟'𝐬 and today in this video I am going to share with you some brilliant expressions with examples to make questions. With these expressions you can make your questions very bright. So without any delay, let's start this video. Number 1. Who means ke ba kara. Examples for these expressions are who are you, or who is the president of Bangladesh, or who was your mentor, who was your creator, or who was your mother, etc. These types of sentences. Number 2. What means ki ba konti. Examples for these expressions are what's your name, or what is the capital of Bangladesh, what is your favorite book, what is your hobby, or what is your aim, etc. Number 3. What time means কোন সময়. Examples for this expression are what time did they join the class, what time did they reach the hospital, what time is it now, or what time did they get up, what time did they play. Number 4. On what, কিসের উপর. Examples are on what side your appendix, or what island is the Statue of Liberty, on what was your class lecture based, on what was your economy based, and on what the book was written. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like it, and thanks a bunch for listening me.